Hello everyone and welcome to the start of the Disney vlogs. Oh, just dropped my suitcase.
Great start.
We're at Heathrow T3 now. I've got to film my outfit, but I'll show you when we get through. But this is the travel vlog. So we're off to Florida Stay, if you can't tell by the title. So let's go through security. So we're in E-L-N-N London. Never been here, but it's literally all pink. If you've seen, you would have just seen the montage. But I've ordered breakfast and Charlie's ordered coffee. And I've ordered a massive coffee with cream and everything. Is it good?
It's alright.
This is the plane we're getting on. After a 2-hour delay, we're finally getting on the plane. And we've literally just run, so I've done a workout. Charlie made me run to this.
I feel
sweating.
now. I didn't need to do that.
You need to feel energised because we're getting on the plane. Yeah, you didn't actually. Anyway, see you on the plane. We're on the plane. I'm absolutely sweating from our little run, but we made it. We're finally on the plane. This is our dinner. Stash of alcohol. And we've got chicken and rice. Cheese, crackers, bread, salad. We've arrived at Orlando. Just got our cases at 6:30 and we're just getting the cab. So we're just gonna go and find it. And then you'll see a montage of Florida. Hello everyone, so we are at the hotel. You would have seen the montage and it's time for a room tour before we mess this place up basically. So this is the front door and we come in to this view. So this is the room. As you can see, it's one room. We have actually got a joining door, but we're not going to use that because we don't know the next door neighbours. But here is the little coffee machine. We've also got a fridge. Empty drawers. Charlie's demonstrating the chairs. I think this is actually a bed that folds out. Yeah. Got a little cubby hole bit there. I like that we all have USBs. Not that I brought cables, but you know. Got this massive bed. And then we've also got Donald, Mickey and Minnie above us. It also, classic Disney, says welcome Parmiter family. A bit like the cruise. We've got a bit of stuff going on here. And then we've got some drawers and more storage. Oh. Got a Bible, we've got some more bed, we've got a safe, which we'll probably use. And then we've got a couple of drawers as well, so we can unload. This is where the suitcases are for the minute. And then we've got kind of like a walk-in bathroom with a sliding door. Love this mirror. This mirror is massive. And then we've got an ironing board, a little wardrobe, which I don't know if I'm gonna use. I might just hang my play suits up. Sink, tissue, hairdryer, ironing board, some toilet rolls, checking out the bath soap. And then here's the toilet and shower. So the toilet's here. And then we've got sliding doors for the bath / shower, which is very nice. And then we've got these 3 things: shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. So this is our room for the next 2 weeks. This is the lighting. It's really freaking good. So I don't know what we're doing next, actually. I think we're gonna explore the hotel. I'm gonna get changed into something a bit more cooler and then go straight to Walmart, and I'll take you guys with me. We're in Walmart. It's very big. It's very overwhelming. We're back from Walmart. I didn't really film that much because it was very chaotic, very busy. So I thought I'd show you what I picked up. Excuse the noise behind me. Charlie is in the shower, and basically I just thought, you know what? I'll give you a little tour of all the unhealthy snacks that we picked up, basically. Because you know what? We're on holiday, and why not? We're here for 2 weeks. We're only going once to Walmart, and yeah, this is a Walmart haul. I've never been to Walmart before, and we literally picked up crap. The only thing good we picked up was 40 packs of water, which is definitely needed. And like I said earlier, we've got a fridge, which is great. So this is the situation. I'm going to run through it. So these are Charlie's Monster energy drinks. Rockstar, Monster Zero, which is different to the UK because it's normally white, and then just the normal Monster. Then we've got Mountain Dew, Fanta Orange, which we're going to share. We've got the blue milk, but this isn't actually full fat, it's half, which is strange because I was like, why are you getting full fat? Then we have, which we're going to eat while we're here, the original Mega Bars, and then Captain Crunch treats. So these are going to be our kind of breakfast grab and go to the parks. We've got these to take home, which is instant oat milk but Captain Crunch version, so hopefully these will be interesting, and they're only 150 calories per sachet, so hopefully that's nice. And then the rest is for us to eat while we're here, I think. So I picked up some Cheetos, the crunchy ones. I can never find the What's It style ones. Barbecue Lays, because they're my favourite. This is Charlie's little concoction. He's got confetti cake cookies and red velvet cookies, which I am gonna also try. And then obviously it's pumpkin spice season, so I had to pick this up. The Oreo flavoured pumpkin spice to get into the Halloween autumn vibes. Now we're in September. We picked up some kind of grab and go cereals. These, to be honest, are all Charlie's, but Captain Crunch Berries, Cinnamon Toast Crunch, Fruity Pebbles for the Flintstones, and then Cocoa Pebbles as well. Then I picked these up to eat because they're yummy. We got a big box of chocolate chip sandwich cookies, which look insane to eat throughout our 2 weeks. Saw these at the till, had to get them. Pumpkin spice Graham's Bish. And then because we're at Disney, I was like, let's get these as well because we never see stuff like this. And then to eat the cereal, just got some everyday cutlery. And that is our haul. It's pretty decent, to be fair, of crap. There's not one nutritious food on there.
Really fun when you put it on the table like that.
But don't worry, we will be having decent meals as well. Hopefully. But hopefully, yeah, we will. I say this now. Charlie may not, but... Right, I thought I'm going to end the vlog now. Thank you so much for watching. Tomorrow we are at Magic Kingdom doing the not so scary stuff. Don't know what we're doing in the morning. I'm absolutely knackered from flying, and I'm just gonna edit this video. We've literally just unpacked, and obviously I've got bags. Literally done my skincare. Got bags. Oh my god. But the guy in the taxi was like, if you go on a roller coaster, then you basically take 30 years off your life. And I was like, okay. Was that what he said? Was it 30?
15.
15.
There was someone who went on who was old enough that it took 30 years off their life.
Yeah. So hopefully tomorrow I might look a bit more, or Tuesday I might, the next day, whatever, I might look a bit more alive. But I'm going to end the vlog now. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, do all the things, because we've got 2 weeks of Disney vlogs, and I'll see you tomorrow.